This video will demonstrate how to install the swivel safe coupler onto your motorcycle trailer. The swivel allows a 360-degree rotation of your trailer and minimizes the effect on your motorcycle. To learn more about the advantages of a swivel coupler, read our blog by clicking the link in the description bar. Start by removing your existing coupler. If you have one installed, remove the 2 bolts and the coupler. Next, remove the bolt that secures the safety chains. After that, you'll install the coupler onto the swivel. Remove these bolts. Place the coupler onto the end of the swivel, aligning the holes and installing the 4 bolts. After you have all bolts started, tighten them here in a crisscross pattern. Before sliding the swivel into your tongue, file all the edges here. Just going to speed this up. You know what filing looks like. Pay extra attention to the holes in the tongue. Tend to have burrs on the end. You might have to drill out these holes a little bit larger depending how the swivel lines up. You'll see there's a cutout beveled edge on the swivel. It can be rotated around there, and that allows for an area for your wires to come out. With the sheathing here, I'm going to line it up to make sure it at least covers all of the holes, and then making sure it's in the correct spot. We'll slide the swivel inside the 2x2 tongue, lining up the holes. Again, if you do have to drill them out, make sure you drill out the tongue and not the swivel. Place a washer on the machine bolt here. This is the rear bolt. Put it in, washer, lock washer, and nut. For the front bolt, we'll use a carriage bolt. Slide the chain onto the end there. We'll use 3 washers here to space it. Make sure the chain can be free from the tongue. Slide that bolt in. 3 more washers to space your other chain, washer, lock, and nut. Tighten those, and that's installing the swivel on your motorcycle trailer. For more information, pictures, prices of our trailers, or to find accessories like the swivel safe coupler, visit our website www.kktrailers.com.